Think you know Seoul? Look behind these skyscrapers. Right in the heart of the city hustle, there's a world that hasn't changed for nearly a century. No nail lines, no tourist trap, just a raw, vintage soul of Korea. I'm Yeda, your Korea local friend. Let's go! Starting to walk in Jungnimdong. The air quality isn't great today. So I'm trying to use the indoor subways passages as much as possible. This is Chungjeonglo Station, where lines 2 and 5 meet. It was named after a patriotic minister from the late Joseon Dynasty. It's a bridge between old and new Seoul. To get to this hidden gem, I used a secret local route. On days like this, I really like to enjoy walking here. The underground walkways are long and a little old school. It feels like Seoul is moving a bit slower underground. So here is the hidden spot. When you enter, when you enter this building, you can actually come out the exits that line 5 connected. Just Korean, but it said subway line 5 connected passway. So I have to go to the way to exit 9. It's a bit tricky. It's a bit confused if it's your first time in Korea, but I think it's pretty kind of not that bad. So I think it's a kind of great option to walking inside the indoor subway passages because outside is very dusty today. I'm almost there. The funny thing is that the place that I started to walk was Jungnimdong, but here is not Jungnimdong. It's called Chungjeonglo. So when I came out, I'm just in Chungjeonglo now. As soon as you step out, you're faced with 90 years of history. See that green buildings over there? That's Chungjeong Apartment, one of the oldest in Seoul. Built in the 1930s, is the oldest apartment in Korea. This is the reality of Seoul, where 1930s building stands right next to the 2026 skyscrapers. We can't enter, but the streets around it still carry that old Seoul vibe. Just a few minutes away is Cheolgil Tteokbokki. That's the sign for the restaurant that I love to go today. It's called Cheolgil Tteokbokki. Cheolgil means this one, the train tracks. I know it's really old one, and it repeats open and close a lot because this town is very old. So that's why there's a lot of reconstruction here. So that's why the restaurant open, close, reopen, reclose, again, and then finally it move its place and reopen again. Actually, it's my first time to visit here after it moved. I'm a little bit excited, and I don't know how they change. Yeah, so here's the spot that it was originally at. But the building already removed and it moved its place. I can already smell something frying. That's the signature sense of winter in Seoul. Here we are, Cheolgil Tteokbokki. Fun fact. The original spot had a view of train tracks, which matches its name, but it moved recently. That's why Unfortunately, I can't see any train view anymore, but the new location doesn't have that retro vibes. They serve chewy wheat rice cake here. It's a bit sweet, not that spicy. I'm not good at spicy thing, but it's okay. Did you know tteokbokki actually started as a royal court dish with soy sauce? The spicy version we love now only became popular after the 1950s. Spicy, chewy, and warm. Some places have rice one, some places have wheat one. Depends on your preference. Me, I like both. It's perfect for winter lunch. Old signs, hidden cafes, quiet corners, just retro vibes. Yeah, there are a lot of small hidden corners. Even it's just the center of Seoul, it's a bit quiet. If you don't want a very touristic thing, I recommend experiencing more Korean thing in a Korea village, not a touristic place. Coffee time. This is one of my favorite spots nearby. After a snack of charkil tteokbokki, a quick espresso is just perfect. After a spicy snack, a quick espresso in a hidden cafe is a local's perfect routine. Simple and honest. Thank you for walking with me. Junglimdong isn't flashy, but it has a warmth that stays with you. If you enjoy this slow walk, subscribe and tell me, do you prefer the busy skyscrapers or these hidden alleys? I'm Yeda, and I'll see you in the next hidden spot.